Hello students, and I hope you all are doing great and well. So today we are going to start off with our second topic, that is our past and early civilization. So first, for that we need to know what is a civilization. A civilization is generally defined as an advanced state of human society containing highly developed form of government, culture, industry, and common social norms. So after men started to become morally and socially developed and become civilized, there were three essentials to make a civilization in the olden days, without which a civilization could not come into being. Number one was wheat crop or any edible crop must be present in the area where civilization is being formed. Trade for advancement of business was essential as well. Number three, water. Water was the most important resource should be present to make a civilization. So all the civilizations that were made in the past were near river. So now the question arises is, what was men doing before the civilizations came into being? So before civilizations, men didn't have any constant place to live in. They used to move from here and there in the search of food and used to settle down along the rivers. Fresh water is right now an important source and was more important at the time of civilizations or before civilizations. It was not only useful for drinking but also for protection of people, as it was hard crossing rivers and provided transportation. People used to migrate around the world to settle near fresh water. Now the question arises is, why was water so important? Number one, it was important because of agriculture, because men used to grow crops. You call it farming. Was developed independent and was started through the earliest civilizations. So farming or agriculture is the oldest profession of human beings or mankind. So there have been several civilizations in the world, and let's talk about the successful one. And what did successful civilizations do? They provided food for everybody and also stayed in the same place as they were before or after. So now let's know, what did civilizations do to protect farms and people, and why people like living in civilizations. Civilization built cities, and it built walls that kept out enemies, and cities shelter people. Cities were able to grow larger as farms fed more people. So after civilizations were made, what came into being? Civilizations also created specialized jobs like fishers, like teachers or poets, and all of these specialized jobs were also created after civilizations came into being. Before it, everybody's job was to hunt and gather food, but farms could only just grow food for everyone, right? This allowed other people to do different jobs and specialized jobs, and because of which people got spread into different professions, and with different jobs it led to technological advancement, and technology got advanced slowly and rapidly. People made tools, buildings, writings, etc., and writing came into being when civilizations started. So by the end of this lecture, you have learned that what are civilizations, how they came into being, and how it affects us right now, and how it helped people back in the days. And you also learned the three essentials to the civilization. So see you all in the next lecture video. Allah Hafiz.